Markets are saying let the good times roll with another green day today, and the S&P close to a new record. It's up about 0.75%. Nasdaq's up 1%, and the Dow's about 1%. Tariff news today helping the markets as the White House said that the July deadline is, quote, not critical. NVIDIA, another all-time high, up about 1%. Meta's up 2.5%. Google up 1.5%. Earlier this morning, we got eco data, and the number of people who applied for unemployment benefits last week, that fell to a 6-week low. And that kind of shows the reluctance of businesses to lay off workers, even with everything going on geopolitically. Initial jobless claims, they dropped by 10,000 to 227,000. But the number of jobless workers that are collecting unemployment benefits did rise by 37,000 to 1.97 million. That's the continuing claims number, highest since November of 2021. And that steady increase of continuing claims over the past couple of years shows that it's taking longer for people who lose a job to find another one. And recent polls have also found that Americans say it's getting harder to find a job. We also got gross domestic product this morning, which shrank at a revised 0.5% annual rate in the first quarter. That was the government's second update. Previously, GDP was reported to have contracted by 0.2%. Tomorrow, all eyes on PCE. ES option data, yesterday volume was like a typical summer trade, less than 1 million ES S&P options traded. Call volume in the E-mini NASDAQ options definitely picking up though, yesterday over 46%. Today in the ES, today's expiring 6,200 calls, big volume, as well as the 6,260 calls, 6,000 of those. And out of the blue, tomorrow's expiring 6,370 and 6,375 calls, both very large volume. ES implied vol for tomorrow, under 9%. Bitcoin quiet today after seeing a huge rally back above 107,000. And in CME news, CME spot quoted futures. They're launching on the 30th next week. Traders are going to be able to trade at the current spot price instead of a futures price. And that'll be in Bitcoin, Ether, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, the Russell 2000, and the Dow.